Hey my champions, everybody, a very warm welcome to all of you on India's largest live learning platform, that is Gradeup. So Ayush is here, Ashmit is here, very good evening to all of you guys. Okay, just let me know guys, my audio video is perfect, everybody, audio video is perfect, then we'll start this session guys. Just it's perfect, Saksham is here. So most of my offline students are here. Okay guys, so everybody welcome. Dinner winner हो गया भाई लोग? Dinner done guys? Everyone, I hope the dinner is done. Okay. So yes, Ashwini Bhagat, Ayush, Saksham guys. Okay. Yes, many people have joined. Let me just set the screen so that I can see the comments well. Okay, excellent guys. Guys, this session that I'll be telling you now will be dealing with the BARC interview questions. What are the questions that we can expect in BARC? Guys, from where I get these questions, of course, there are many sources like I myself have given the BARC in Anushakti Nagar, Bombay in 2012. Okay, interview, although I was not selected, but yes, I have given the interview. Then many of my students have also given the interview from them. What is the pattern, what are the things, what are the tips that I'll be telling you. First of all guys, I'll be telling you 4 tips that is equally beneficial for not only civil but mechanical, electrical, electronics, computer science, any branch. So 4 tips I'll start with, then I'll be going to 8 questions. Yeah, same like yesterday guys, if you do 6 or more questions, total 8 questions, that will be for civil. Okay, if you do 6 or more questions guys, of course you are a super commando mine. Okay, if you do questions suppose 4 or 5, then it's still good, very good. Okay, and less than 4 guys, improvement is required. Okay, then I can just say average out of 8 questions. Okay guys, but before that let me again tell you, there will be 4 tips I will start with, and those 4 tips will be equally beneficial for all branch, not only for civil. Those 4 tips will be beneficial for all branch. Then I'll go to 8 questions of civil. This is about me guys, most of you already know me. My name is Abhinav, 9+ years of teaching experience, all this, not to waste any time here. Okay guys, again tomorrow I am again coming here at 11:15. At 11:15 p.m. guys, I am again same time tomorrow this session guys, because in a complete year many time you are facing gate in February, like ESC in June, July, and then BARC any point of time, like this year it is September, sometimes it is in April or May as well, then ISRO, PSU, state PSA, SSCG, there are many things. So how to do preparation, because many students do one mistake, they prepare for BARC, okay, for 2 months, then they prepare for understate services, then they for gate, then another 2 months for ESC, then whole preparation will never be done like this. So what should be the correct sequence, what should be the correct order, what should be the correct thing, that I'll be telling you tomorrow. Okay, you can join all me in Telegram, Civil by Abhinav sir, that is pinned above as well. Okay, you can join Civil by Abhinav sir. Yes, Joshit Sahi is here. Everybody please welcome Joshit sir. So you can join me on Civil by Telegram, Civil by Abhinav sir, that is link is given above. Okay guys, let me tell you, the interview of BARC is from 4th October to 29th October. Of course the written exam is 5th September, his date is still there guys for written exam. Okay, from 12th July form is available, and you can fill it up to 7th or 9th August. 7th to 9th, first stage up to 7th August and then 9th August. Okay, yes, it will be gameplay. 7th and 9th August you can fill the form. So not if the gate is not gone well, then there are other modes as well. So not only the gate is the mode for selecting in BARC, it takes its own online exam. Suppose you have not given gate, suppose you got a very poor rank in gate, then also you can go. So you can fill the form up to 7th or 9th August, and then interview will be 4th October to 29th October. Okay guys, first of all guys, 4 tips I will be telling you all, then I will be going to 8 questions, and out of 8 questions that will be of civil. If you score 6 or more, you are commando. 4 or 5, you are very good. Less than 4, average. Okay, but before going to the 4 questions, I'll be telling you 4 tips that are equally beneficial for all branches. Guys, please like and share the session. How's the Josh commandos? Everybody, please let me know. How is the Josh? Everybody, then I'll starting this session. Okay, please put a heart sign. Please put a heart sign. Everybody. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, full Josh. Beta, पूरी जोश में हूँ आज मैं. पूरे जोश में हूँ. Just put a heart sign. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready, guys? First of all, 4 tips that will be equally beneficial for all branches. Okay, then I will be moving to 8 questions. And most important thing, Vaibhav sir is also here, guys. Please, all civil team is here, yaar. Please put a heart sign for Vaibhav sir and Joshi sir. Okay, so IIT Roorkee, Joshi sir is here. IIT Kanpur, BTech, Vaibhav sir is here. And I'm also IIT Delhi is here. So all IITs are here, same comment box. Okay, one more thing, guys. 4 tips for all branch, then 8 questions. And those 8 questions will be all like BARC. What happens in BARC na, guys? Those questions are asking. They ask a question और फिर वो उस क्वेश्चन पे चढ़ जाते हैं दोस्त. उस क्वेश्चन से रिलेटेड more question. Like I also doing same thing. I am also doing the same thing, guys. I am also doing the same thing. एक क्वेश्चन पूछा, उसके फिर एक और उससे रिलेटेड एक और. Okay? एक क्वेश्चन खत्म, एक स्टेज खत्म. Then second question, then third question. Okay? Like same it will be BARC today. Okay? So first thing, guys, in BARC, written marks are not counted. Even if you're going through gate, even if you're going through their own exam, that is from 5th September to 12th September, guys, the gate marks will not be counted, guys. Or written exam is of 300 marks. I hope you know. 300 marks. It will not be counted. It is just of qualifying nature. Once you qualify, it's okay. Even if you're rank 1 in that exam, might be gate or might be their own exam from 5th September to 12th September, that doesn't matter. Then, guys, written exam is just of qualifying nature. That means interview is more important here. Interview is more important here, guys. Because final selection will be only taking the interview marks. First tip for BARC. Okay, I hope most of you already know this. The written marks are not counted. Pure selection will be of interview. This is just of qualifying nature. Okay. Yes, Joshi sir, Vaibhav sir, full power hai yaar. Full power hai aaj to. Now tip 2. Okay, guys, even I have gone to the BARC, although I have not selected an interview. Okay, in 2012, many of my students have been gone. They are selected as well. Okay, मेरे से आगे निकल गए वो. Guys, 95% of the time, 95. सर्वज्ञ sir is also here from Kunda, राजा भैया के घर से. सर्वज्ञ sir के लिए भी welcome कर दो सबके सब. आनंद पांडे sir is also here, guys. Okay. भाई जो 30 देख रहे हैं सब ग्रेड अप. ओके, आनंद पांडे सर इज ऑल्सो हियर, गाइस. आज तो फुल पावर है. नेक्स्ट थिंग, गाइस, 99% ऑफ द टाइम व्हेन पीपल आर गोइंग, स्टूडेंट्स आर गोइंग, पीपल क्या जाएंगे, स्टूडेंट जाएंगे, स्टूडेंट्स आर गोइंग देयर, गाइस. ऐश्वर्य सर इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम आईआईटी दिल्ली. ओके ना भाई, सब दोस्त मेरे यही है यार. सब दोस्त मेरे यही है. जिंदगी में कुछ कमाए नहीं कमाए, दोस्त कमाए. 11:15 बजे भी अभी देख रहे हैं मेरे को. They can watch a very beautiful film of Alia Bhatt, Katrina Kaif, but still they are here. That is my power. That is my power. Okay? Now my power is not these concepts or anything. You students and these my friends are my power. Now coming to here. See, guys, 99% of time when you are going interview of BARC, ISRO or DRDO, they will be most of the times asking you, tell your 3 subjects. Even before this question, they ask first from where you are, what is the MLA of your city or your place or your constituency, why Muradabad is famous. Because when I was giving BARC interview, before me, one of my friend Parvinder is giving the interview same day. So he was from Muradabad. So from them he asked why Muradabad is famous. He said it is famous for Tamba, for copper. Okay, so like this. So first of all, those questions will not be deciding. Your selection. Just because a student is of 21 years or 22 years, so he is very, very tense. So just to make him relax, they ask few general questions. Okay, there will not be any questions that will be helping you to select or not select. Okay, after that, then when they start, engine garam ho gaya bullet ka. Now they start, guys, tell your favorite 3 subjects. Okay, so guys, of course you have to prepare. But 3 subjects should be very much prepared for interview point of view. And of course, there are a panel of 5 to 6 members, including 1 chairman. 5 to 6 members including one chairman. Of course, तो उन 5-6 में से every member is confident in 2 or 3 subjects ना. So there are 5 members, so there will be at least 10 to 12 subjects. So your 3 subjects will be someone's subject na matching. So he will be asking you question first. Okay, guys, please like and share the session so everybody can get benefited. So tip 2, always guys, for BARC, ISRO, DRDO, 3 subjects they will be asking your favorite. Okay, now tip 3, guys, you know what? Here the approach matters more than your final result. Suppose your 11th, 12th concepts are superb, and guys, even if you are approaching something, suppose like any subject, RCC or SOM or anything, even if you are not getting up to the desired result, because there is board bhi hota wahan pe, there is a blackboard, whiteboard is also there. Okay, there is a whiteboard also there. So sometimes when you are asking something, when they are asking something, you are telling something, so they go to board and explain us. So guys, even if you are not getting the direct the result, the desired result, but in between the steps you are using is perfect, your concepts are perfect, then also they will be selecting you, because they see your approach, your concepts. Might be the end result you are not getting because you have not done that derivation earlier, your first time doing the derivation. So they see your mind, they see, oh, this student has not done this derivation any time before, he is doing first time, and first time without books, first time he is solving his own, and he is reached to third last step or second last step. Oh, come on, they will be selecting you. So more than answers, they will be seeing your approach, guys. Okay, now tip number 4, guys, when you go to placement of L&T, मैसूर में किसकी ट्रेनिंग होती है, वो कौन सी कंप्यूटर वाली दुकान होती है, वो कौन सी कंप्यूटर वाली दुकान होती है, इन्फोसिस, HCL. Guys, sometimes they are not judging your programming languages, they are judging your personality. कंपनी छोड़ेगा तो नहीं भाई, बाल अच्छे से बना के आया है. ओके, इजी कैजुअल, इजी फॉर्मल लाइक दिस. बार्क कुछ नहीं. Might be your hairs are like young Dhoni, like here. मुशर्रफ ने जिसको तैयारी करी थी, तारीफ करी थी. Might be your hairs like Dhoni. Might be your hairs are like this, and like antenna FM radio. They are neither caring of this. Either you are going with your jeans or your formal dress. Nothing is important for them. Technical knowledge अच्छा है, select. Technical knowledge is good, they will be selecting you. Okay, so they will not be judging you through your dress, through your personality, or through your anything. Okay, might be you are giving the right answer like this. They will be selecting you. They will be selecting you. But this is all happening in BARC, DRDO, ISRO. Contrast to this, if you are going to PSU, HPCL, IOCL, NTPC, guys, in their case, this personality is more important for PSUs. Okay, but here the technical knowledge like DRDO, like ISRO, like BARC, तुम फटी हुई जीन्स में भी गए हो लेकिन इंटरव्यू अच्छा दे रहे हो, they will be selecting you. So these tip 4s, this tip 4, 1, 2, let me again tell you. Tip 1, written marks are not counted. Final selection will be only based on your interview marks. Written marks is just of qualifying nature, guys. Tip number 2, they will ask you most of the time 3 subjects, 99%. Tip 3, approach matters more than the correct answer. Okay, because they see your mind. Might be you are doing the derivation first time and you have reached to third last step. Absolutely fine, guys. Absolutely fine. They see your mind, not your memory. Okay. Tip number 4, guys, technical knowledge is important in BARC, ISRO, DRDO, but might be in PSU, they are seeing your personality, their overall character as well, guys. Everybody please share the session, guys. Let more people join here. Okay, now, question number 1 to 8, civil. Before that, let me tell you, 8 questions I'll be asking for civil. Now, guys, from here onwards, only civil students I want. From here onwards, only civil students. 8 questions I'll be asking in total, and 6 or more if you do it correct. You are super commando, guys. Then 4 or 5, very good, less than 4 average. Okay, question number 1. Ashwara sir is also here for RCC. Vaibhav sir is also here, guys. Anand sir, Joshi sir, Sarvagya sir is also here for RCC. Let us see, guys. Many mentors are here. Now. Best mentor to teacher ratio in this session. Best mentor to student ratio in this session. Now, first question, guys. Guys, this questions. Chandan sir is also here. Guys. Chandan sir ka time le liya aaj main. Guys, first question. Put a heart sign for Chandan sir, the champion of digital. Okay. Now, guys, these questions will be like BARC. in PSUs, what happens? They ask you a question, you give the answer, next question. You give the answer, next question. You didn't give the answer, next question. Here it will be like BARC. In BARC, they ask you a question, you replied something, then again they ask a question based on that question. Again they ask a question, Tariq, it's like that. Rakesh sir is also here, guys. Rakesh sir, All India Rank 9, ISC Bangalore. The whole Gradeup is here, guys. Okay, यही दोस्ती कमाई है भाई मैंने. Okay, now this is the answer, guys. Plain section, remain plain after bending. What is the significance? Everybody, please let me know. Everybody, guys. Please let me know. Plain section remains plain. Even after bending, what is the significance? Strain varies linearly. This will be the answer now. Correct. Guys, then might be if the PSU, you give the answer, strain diagram is linear. They will ask the second question, but not in BARC. Your answer is strain varies linearly. They say correct. Then second question based on that. On question number 1, again one more question. They say this is a beam, okay, and this is the steel. So this is the neutral axis, guys. This is the neutral axis, and you are saying strain diagram is linear. Okay, strain diagram is linear. Okay, this is strain diagram. Okay, this everybody will say. If you are in PSU, they'll stop here. But for BARC, they will go one step forward. Then they will ask you for working stress method. The stress diagram is like this. Okay, for limit state method, stress diagram is like this. Why? Stress diagram here is like parabola and something like this. And this inside tension is neglected, na? This nothing is here. Inside tension is neglected. That should be shown with dotted line. Okay, why this is like linear, or here it is curved then straight? Second question based on the first question. Okay, just let me know, guys. Everybody, just fast. Guys, because in working stress method, can anybody reply this? In working stress method, guys, stress diagram is taken as linear. It is assumed to be linear isotropic in working stress method, stress strain. But in limit state method, guys, stress strain method is assumed to be first parabolic and then constant. Here it is parabolic, then constant. As we are going above, strain diagram, strain more. So here, if you are increasing the strain, stress is increasing linearly. But here, if you are increasing the strain, first it is parabolic, then constant. That is the reason. Have you got it? Now, BARC people, again one more question to you. Guys, while calculating the force of compression, what you got? Suppose this value is sigma CBC. This value is 0. So what is the force here? What is the force in compression? It is average stress. Here it is 0. Here it is sigma CBC. So 0 plus sigma CBC by 2. Average stress into area. Area is B into XA. Suppose, guys, this area where compression is acting, is B and it is XA. So average stress, here it is 0, here it is sigma CBC. Average stress is 0 plus sigma C by 2 into B into XA. They will ask you, they will answer this. Then they will ask, why the same is not done here? Here you not do this like 0 here, 0.45 FCK here. You don't do like this. Here you are having a different formula. Sometime I 0.36 FCK into B into XU, as far as I remember when I was in 2012, because I don't teach RCC. So here you find compressive force by 0 plus sigma CBC by 2 into area, average stress into area. But here you do something different. What do here? You do here area of stress diagram into width, because here you do average stress into area, because this function is linear. Whenever a function is linear, you can do this. But when it is not linear, you can't do. So better answer is area of stress diagram into width, area of pressure prism, area of stress prism. Say if you do area of pressure prism here, then also the answer will be same. Area of pressure prism here also answer will be same. And you can do like this as well. But the general way is area of pressure prism or area of stress prism. That is applied here, guys. Okay. This was question number 1. Now, okay, many people are correct. Just evaluate yourself. Out of 8 questions, 6 or more, you are commando. 4 or 5, very good. Less than 4, average. Question number 2. Guys, when you see a concrete beam, in AK Jain or in any book, guys, most of the times, how is the crack? How is the crack? Suppose this is a beam, okay, it is acted by UDL. Suppose it is simply supported beam, then the cracks are like this, 45 degree, then here it is 90 degree, here it is 45, here the angle is 45 degree. Why so? Can anybody explain me? Can anybody explain me why the crack is 45 degree at here and why it is 90 degree here? Can anybody let me know? Question number 2. Question number 2. Why the crack here is 45 degree and here is 90 degree? Guys, not only RCC, other questions also I'll be doing. Just like and share the session so that more commandos can join in. Due to BMD of the section, these types of failure diagonal, no, that is not the answer, that is not the explanation, Ashmit. Okay, BARC का फॉर्म निकल गया वसीम भाई कहाँ खोए हुए थे? Okay, diagonal tension failure, okay. Guys, if I make the stress diagram, shear force diagram, it will be like this. And if I make bending moment diagram, it will be like this. At supports, it is pure bending. At support, BM is 0. BMD, bending moment, is equal to 0. See here, agree? So it is only shear force. So at support is pure shear case. At support it is pure shear case. Agree? Because BMD is 0. Bending stress is nothing. Because bending stress will be what, yaar? Come on. Sigma by y is equal to m by I. Inka baap kaun hai? M. Father is m. M is 0. So how sun will be coming? This is called bending stresses. This is originated. This is been born. Ye paida hota hai m se. M is 0 there. So sigma is 0. So bending stress is 0. So it will be pure shear case. No bending stress. No compression, no tension. So it will be pure shear case because shear force is there. Okay. So in pure shear case, how is the Mohr circle? Mohr circle is like this. So at what angle in maximum principal stress is coming? 90 degree. So in real life, 45 degree. So at 45 degree, maximum principal stress is coming. Maximum principal stress is coming at 45 degree. That's why the cracks are 45 degree. Because concrete is weak in tension. So tensile stresses are coming at 90 degree in Mohr circle, but in real life it will be 45 degree. Okay, 45 degree understood. Then why here 90 degree? Because here shear force is 0. Here shear force is 0. No shear stress. No shear stress because shear force is 0. So there is bending moment is maximum. So if I take a point from here, suppose name 2 point. Okay, this 2 point and that was 1 point. So 1 point was here. That was 2 points. So shear is 0. Shear is 0. So only there will be tension because sagging na, due to UDL it will be sagging na. So tension. Bending is there. Tension stress is there. And no shear. So this is principal stress. So the maximum stress is this itself. Maximum shear stress is this itself. Maximum stress is this itself because shear is 0. So here it is maximum stress. When you are pulling something like this, so crack will be like this. You are pulling something like this, so crack will be like this. Have you got it or not? Everybody just let me know in the comment section, guys. Everybody on the comment section, just let me know. Have you got it or not? Just put a heart sign. And out of the 2 questions, how many you have done correct till now? Out of the 2 questions, how many you have done correct till now? Everybody. Then we are moving to very interesting questions. Then we are moving forward to very interesting questions. Everybody, please let me know. Okay, yes, beautiful. Okay. Now moving forward. How many questions you have done correct, guys, till now? Everybody, let me know. Out of 2. Okay. Now question number 3. Guys, why slope correction is negative? Why slope correction is negative? Okay, you will say, sir, C slope is equal to L cos theta minus 1. So cos theta is less than 1. Sir, cos theta is less than 1. So this value is negative. So this is not the answer. That is the mathematical explanation. Okay, guys, because there will be neither pure stress nor purely this, nor purely principal stress will be coming, nor pure stress. That is the reason, guys. Puta, you will find principal stress there, so it will be at some angle, 60 degree, 70 degree, like that. Okay, guys, because correction, you are measuring this length, you are measuring this length L, and guys, in context of map, suppose this is the earth, this is the earth, A, B, C, A, B, C. And when you make a map or plan, when you make a map or plan, you put A here, you put B here, you put C here. Okay? You put A here, you put B here, you put C here. So actually, the distance is curved. Actually, the distance is curved, but due to orthographic projection, because the earth is like this, but we project it like this. The earth is like this, the earth is like this, but we project it like this. Due to orthographic projection, due to orthographic projections, the points are plotted like this. So whatever is the distance between A and B, suppose between A and B, suppose between A and B there is a curve like this, mountains like this, mountains like this. Between B and C there is mountain like this. Nothing is happening in making map, because map only horizontal projections are coming. In map only horizontal projections are coming, guys. Okay, so whatever is the inclined distance, it's fine. That distance is L only. I have no objection. That distance is L only. But when you're drawing it on map, the horizontal distance will be coming, and hypotenuse will be always bigger, and this distance will be always smaller. So when you have to apply correction, you have to make it here, you have to make it here, because in context of map, this is the correct distance, horizontal distance is the correct distance. So you have to make it shorter, and when you have to make it shorter, you have to make a negative correction. Got it or not, everybody? Just let me know. Just let me know. Have you got it or not? Because this is always a bigger distance. This is always a bigger distance, and in context of map, horizontal distance is coming, because main purpose of surveying is to plot the position between 2 points, and those 2 points are like this, horizontal. So when we are making inclined to horizontal, you have to make it lesser. So lesser means less correction. Okay, and one more thing, then BARC people also tell you, if the theta is not given, next question of BARC, might be PSU, they will be switching to next question, but in BARC they will be asking you, suppose this is L, this is H, theta is not given, so this will be L square minus H square. You will say yes. In such case, if theta is not given, correction due to slope is equal to minus H square by 2L. Okay, but guys, this formula is obtained when you put 1 minus x ki power n is equal to 1 minus nx. When you expand this, it will be coming like this. So if they say make it more accurate, then you should know how to binomially expand this. You have seen na, nc naught 1 ki power n x ki power 0 plus nc1 1 ki power n minus 1 plus x ki power 1 nc2, like this. Then you know how to expand this, because deriving this we use this expression. This expression means, okay, you are approximately writing this to this, but when they want the more correct answer, then you should binomially expand this. Okay, moving to question number 4. Guys, what is the difference between altitude and elevation? Sometimes we say elevation of point A, sometimes we say altitude of point B. What is the basic difference between elevation and altitude? Just let me know, everybody. Please like and share the session so that more and more commandos can join in. Okay, Saksham. More beautiful answers are yet to come. Questions are yet to come. Guys, altitude is the height of a point with respect to mean sea level. Altitude is the height of a point with respect to mean sea level, and elevation is height of a point with respect to any datum. So better word is altitude. Okay, because altitude is with respect to a fixed thing, mean sea level. Next, second question of BARC. Okay, with respect to any datum, the height of point A is called elevation. Okay, correct. with respect to mean sea level, height of the same point A, is called altitude. Okay, correct. Now second question of the BARC interview panel. Guys, mean sea level is not fixed. Sometimes it is here, rainy season it is here, due to high tides it is here, due to moon position it is maybe low tide, maybe high tide, might be due to rainy season, it might be high tide, low tide. So the thing that is not fixed, how you can take it as a reference? How you can take it as a reference that is not fixed? That is the next question from BARC. Can anybody tell me? How the thing that is not constant, that is itself moving, how you can take it as reference for measuring elevation or altitude, whatever, with respect to any datum. Elevation is this, with respect to this datum, elevation is another thing, another value. Altitude is a good thing because it is a fixed datum, that is mean sea level. Guys, yes, Saksham Sharma, we take 19 years average. We don't take any MSL. That is today. What is the Bombay mean sea level today? We don't care. What is the today's Bombay mean sea level? We don't care. Okay. So we take the 19 years average of mean sea level because it is assumed that in 19 years all the fluctuations have been counted for. Correct. Now second question of BARC. In the same question, another question of BARC, that the BARC interview panel. Then whenever you write the elevation of point, you write like 100.250, 100.000, 115.255, 119.620 or 97.250. Why it is written up to 3 decimal places? Next question from BARC panel to you. Why it is so? Why it is up to 3 decimal places? First question was this. Second question, why MSL it is varying. Third question is this. Yes, because guys, there is a staff now. In that staff, there is white strip, then black, then white, then black, then white strip, then black, then white strip, then black, then white strip and black. So width of one white strip and width of one black strip. Width of one white strip and width of one black strip is of 5 mm. Least count is 5 mm. That is 0.005 meter. So whenever we are representing the elevations in meter, we can go up to 3 decimal places. Nobody other than Rajnikant can measure this also. 93.75621 from ordinary staff, but a normal man like me can't. Okay, up to now, how many questions are correct, guys? Can you please let me know? And everybody, please like and share the session. Yeah, come on, guys, please like and share the session. Up to now, how many questions correct? For becoming commando, out of the total 8 questions of civil engineering that we will taking today, 6 or more should be correct for commandos, 4 or 5 for very good, less than 4 for average. If out of 8 questions you are doing 6 or more correct, that is your commando. 4 to 5, very good. If you are out of 8, you are doing less than 4, average. 3, okay, 4, Kumara Schmidt, excellent. Guys, please like the session as well so that more and more commandos can join. 56 people are watching here. Okay, now guys, like this is Shimla, this is Shimla. So always you have heard the word altitude of Shimla. You have never heard the elevation of Shimla. You have heard the word altitude of Everest. You have heard the word altitude of Leh Ladakh. Because altitude is with respect to a common datum, that is MSL. The elevation is not a good word. Because datum change, yellow datum, different elevation. White datum, different elevation. Another datum, another deflation, another elevation. Altitude is a fixed thing, is a good thing because reference, that is MSL, is constant there. Okay, you know that this is Shimla. So you have always heard the word altitude of Shimla. That is the church here, and behind here there is Kendra Vidyalaya Jakhu. That was my school. And this is a slope here, and behind this also there is a slope. Behind this, the bottom part, there is a place called Annadale. There I live. So from that bottom part to the highest point of the Shimla, that is Jakhu, that is around 2-3 kilometers. Every day I am going, and again 2-3 kilometers every day I am coming back. You know one more thing, why it is called ridge? This place, there is a if you have gone to Shimla, that is Mall Road and ridge. Why it is ridge? Let me tell you. Guys, suppose there is a topography like this. So any rain that is coming between these two lines, this is a catchment area because all this rain is coming here. So this yellow line is called ridge line because this divides the two catchment area. Between the area, water is coming here, but here water is going somewhere else. Here the water is going somewhere else. So this catchment area, ridge is dividing. Similarly, here is a thing, ridge, that is dividing. Whatever rain coming here in this part is coming here, somewhere here. And what is the rain coming to different part where I live, where was my home? That rain will be coming to different stream. And here rain is coming to somewhere here. And behind this hill, whatever rain is coming, that is going in different part. Have you got it, guys? Why the place is called ridge? Why the place is called ridge? That place is called ridge because here the water coming here in this region, and iske backside whatever the water is going, that is going to different. So ridge divides the two catchment area. Na? There was my school. Every day 5 kilometers we are traveling, guys. Okay. Question number 5. Where the boiling point of water will be more? Will it be more at Goa or Shimla? Where the boiling point of water will be more? Where the boiling point of water will be more? If it will be more in Goa or in Shimla? Please let me know on the comment section. Where the boiling point of water will be more? Will it be in Goa or Shimla? Guys, to your surprise, boiling point of water will be more in Goa because, guys, atmospheric pressure in Goa will be more. So, guys, when vapors are coming from this, then more atmospheric pressure at the Goa. More atmospheric pressure is the Goa. So, vapors will find difficult to boil. But in Shimla, atmospheric pressure is less because the density of air there is less. As we go above the earth to higher altitudes, the density of air is lesser, the gravity is lesser, so of course the atmospheric pressure will be lesser. So in Shimla, less atmospheric pressure, so easily water can boil, easily these vapors can go above. But in Goa, more atmospheric pressure, so it will be difficult, more heat we have to provide, so make them go above. But sir, in reality, sir, in Shimla it requires more. Yes, because in Shimla the water is cold. In Goa, water is already warmer. If you take same temperature of water in Goa and Shimla, same temperature of water in Goa or Shimla, same vessel in Goa or Shimla, okay, same container in Goa and Shimla, same surface area in Goa and Shimla, then guys, in that case, Goa will require more boiling point. In reality, Shimla is having more boiling point because the water is colder there. You are comparing colder water and warmer water. That is not correct. Okay. Have you got it, guys? Let's move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is here. Guys, evaporation is more in winter or summer in shallow water bodies or deep? In summers, first let me know. In summers, shallow will be having more evaporation or deep water bodies? Shallow or deep? In summers, this is shallow, and that is deep. Okay, where the evaporation will be more in summers? Guys, in summers, yes, Guru is correct, Saksham is correct, many people are correct, Kumar Ashmit is also correct. Guys, in summers, shallow will be having more evaporation because this is shallow, so it becomes very easily, it becomes warmer because very less depth, it becomes warmer and evaporate faster. Deep, sunlight cannot penetrate to a higher level. So in summers, this will not be very much warm like this one. This will be having more temperature because here sunlight cannot penetrate to this level. So comparatively, this will be warmer, easy to evaporate. But in winters, this will be very chill, thandi, very chill. This will be very, very chill in winters. So in winters, guys, of course, the cold ray is not able to penetrate downwards because here is a huge blanket of water. Okay, that's why in cold this will be very chilled. Rays will be easily chilled. The cold rays will be easily making this whole thing colder, but not this one. So relatively this will be warmer. So in winters this will evaporate faster. Give me Y or N. Have you understood? Please like and share the session as well, guys. Everybody who is watching this. Everybody, guys, who is watching this, please like and share and put a heart sign if you understood this. If you understood this, put a heart sign, guys. How many questions till question number 6 you have done correct? Till now we have done 6 questions of civil engineering. Beautiful question. Are you enjoying this question? Also, one more question from my side. Many questions I am asking. Piyush Dhakad is here. Many questions I am asking. Are you enjoying this session? Please like it. Many people are watching, but only 70 likes. Okay, 6. Kumar Ashmit is playing like a champion. 6. Guru is having 4. Sentu Salgar 4. Ashu 4. Okay, Saksham is having 5 questions. Rishabh 6 out of 6. Already commando. 2 people are already commando. Okay, everybody please put a heart sign, guys. Okay. I hope you are enjoying also. I hope you are enjoying as well. Question number 7. Guys, why India has plus 5:30 GMT? Why India has plus 5:30 GMT? Suppose there is a match and in Crick Info site, Crick Bus site, in internet, it is written as 1 GMT will be match. 1 GMT will be match. 1 GMT will be match on Star Sports of India and inland. So when you will open the TV in India, when you will open the TV in India, when you will open the TV in India, it is written 1 GMT, 1 PM, 1 PM GMT. When you will open TV in India, Star Sports, when you will open? Yes, Piyush Dhakad. When first of my question, when you will open Piyush Dhakad is saying 6:30. Guys, you can open the TV at any time. Anytime you can open the TV. Anytime you can open the TV, guys. But yes, if you want to watch the match, you have to open it at 6:30. Why? Because, guys, this is map. So here it is 0 degree. 0 degree. That is passing through GMT, London, Greenwich Mean Time. And India has taken as reference as 82 degree 30 minute. 82 degree 30 minute. Guys, 360 degree rotation is 24 hours. 360 degree rotations of Earth make 1 day, 24 hours. So 1 degree how much? 24 by 360 hours. Minutes will be into 60. So 1 degree, this will be 4 minutes. 1 degree will be 4 minute difference. 1 degree longitude will be 4 minute time. So here how much? 82.5 degree is the difference. So 1 degree is 4 minute. So 82.5 into 4 will be 330. 330 means 5 hours 30 minutes. That means here the time, this is east. East means plus 5 hour 30 minute. Guys, every day take its longitude as a multiple of 7.5. This is also, India has also taken multiple of 7.5. 7.5 into 11 is this. Because 1 degree is 4 minutes. So 7.5 degree will be equal to 30 minutes. That's why every country's longitude GMT is plus 530, plus 7, plus 630, or west it will be minus 330, minus 4, minus 530, minus 730, minus 9. You will never heard the GMT is plus 512 or GMT is minus 313 or plus 557 or minus 248. So every country takes a longitude which is a multiple of 7.5. That will be a difference of 30 minutes. 82.5 is also a multiple of 7.5 degree. Everybody give me Y or N. Everybody give me Y or N. Have you enjoyed this? Sir, civil, guys, Aditya bhai, the vacancy has not been still disclosed. But as far as my experience of last years, it will not be more than 20 to 30. That is less, but the competition will also be less. Guys, come on, share the session, like it. Have you got it? Have you enjoyed this? Have you enjoyed this concept? Have you enjoyed this concept? Question number 8. Why phi index bigger than W index? Let me know the answer. Let me tell you the answer. Many of you will say, because sir, in W index, the losses are not considered as infiltration. But in phi index, losses are also considered, like losses due to photosynthesis, losses due to vegetation, losses due to the water stored in ditches. That is also treated as infiltration. In W index, those losses are not treated as infiltration. Guys, your answer is correct, but it is not the primary reason. Yeah, see, the Piyush has given the answer. Piyush, whatever answer you have given, that is not the first answer. That is not the primary answer. Every book has written it wrong, including Subramaniam. Everybody is writing. I myself has told you the answer. That many people will say this. Everybody is saying the same answer. Okay, guys, let me tell you the real answer. The real answer is, guys, suppose this is the average infiltration. Guys, so here total infiltration is this. This is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. This is going below the ground. And this is runoff. More than infiltration is runoff. More than infiltration is runoff. Now A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 plus A6 upon total time. Suppose I am taking this as T1. T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 plus T5 plus T6 is equal to W index. Total infiltration by total time is W index. But the better word, but phi index is only A3 plus A4 upon T3 plus T4. So phi index is the average of those periods which are contributing to rainfall as well. Those are rainfall excess periods. So phi index is average of that. W index is average of all. So phi index is average of bigger periods. Like now in my 12th class, I am writing my genuine 12th class marks. 10th वाले लिखने के लायक नहीं है. 12th class in, guys, physics I got 74, chemistry I got 74. To a very big surprise to me, just I escaped from heart attack. In English I got 76. In computer science I got 89. In maths I got 100. So my all average is 82.6%. That is W index. But average of my distinctions, this and this, will be of course more than 82.6. Will of course be more than 82.6. So this average of distinction periods is phi index. Average of bigger periods is phi index. And average of all periods is W index. So of course this will be, W will be smaller because some small values are also there. Phi is average of bigger values, that is it is bigger. So primary reason is this. So whatever the reason you are telling you guys, that is correct, but that is not the exact reason, because in many questions loss is zero, still phi index is coming bigger. In 99% questions you are solving, guys, phi index is greater than W index even with losses 0. Have you got it? Have you got it? The concept? Have you got the concept, guys? Have you got the concept? Please let me know. Yes, guys, again tomorrow 11:15 PM in night. 11:15 in night tomorrow. Gradeup Gate YouTube channel. Guys, when an aspirant is preparing, then he is facing BARC, GATE, ESE, PSUs, ISRO, many exams. And sometimes they do mistake by preparing for every exam in every 2 months. In that case, he will not be able to compare fully for whole subject, because every 2 months he is preparing for something new. Okay, guys, so how to do this? How to overcome this fact that I'll be telling you tomorrow at 15 PM. Because most of the students are doing this mistake. Every 2 months they are preparing for the exam that will be coming in next 2 months. Yes, Piyush, I know that. So how to overcome this, that I'll be telling you at 15 PM. Who is coming here? Who is coming here? Please let me know. Who is coming here 11:15 PM? Please let me know. Who is coming here? Okay. So guys, this is Telegram. You can join me on Telegram. Link is given above. Link is given above on the comment box at the top. Link is given. You can join me. Okay. And guys, also one more thing, that from tomorrow now I am starting a app free series as well. 5 p.m. app free series daily. App free series. Let's begin. The series name is Let's Begin. So please join me 5 p.m. daily on app. Then 11:15 tomorrow will be on YouTube. Okay. Rishabh, please write me on the comment, this Telegram. Okay. So champion series going on, 120 days free cash course, 11 on app and 6:30 p.m. on the YouTube in the evening. Complete course, all subjects will be done here. With Gradeup Super, you can enjoy all the courses, all the batches, including PDF, live classes will be there. You can interact with the teacher, of course, the test series as well. Okay. So whatever the course is running on the app, English, Hindi, 2022, 2023. Foundation course, complete course, English, Hindi, every batch you can watch and every class you can watch in infinite number of times. Of course, you can come live and interact with the teacher. PDF will be given printed as well as the classroom PDF of PPT plus test series. With one super subscription, everything will be available. Guys, you can follow me in our app as well. On the Gradeup app, in the search option, you can write my name, Abhinav Negi, and if you want, you can follow me. Also, you can join the Telegram Civil by Abhinav sir. Guys, thank you all. Okay, thank you all. Take care, guys. See you all at 11:15 p.m. tomorrow on this same channel, and 5 p.m. on app. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you all. Take care.